Good day everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you. I'm going to take you today through the recap and the top 5 of Wednesday 7th of July 2021. As you can see here that our opportunities were 8 winning out of 22, so the total opportunities were 22 and 8 of them were winning, representing 36.4%, which is excellent. Profit is $570.90, provided that we have traded the whole 22 opportunities. And for the followers supposed to be experts, of course nobody will be entering, and it is not really logical to enter the 22 opportunities unless you are trading on a robot or auto trading. So before I take you through the top the top 5, I'll share with you the setting. Again, our calculation and presentation here is based on a starting equity of $10,000, which is of buying power 6-1 usually, not 25-1 as you can see here, but no, usually the maximum, as I know, and if you know better, if you know something different, please share with me, but usually brokers allow 6-1. All right, now having said that, let us go through the opportunities that we have and look into the top top 5 of the day. So we will go over the, as you can see, then ABIO, then we will, of course, after highlighting the top 5, we will talk about the opportunities during the trading hours as well. So first one is IPW, and IPW in 1 minute made 7% to us. If you see, IPW on the daily is doing great, as it made a new high, then it continued to test the formation, the formed 20 days moving average, and on the 5 minutes it made a consolidation, then it broke it, then it gave you the signal here, which I see it a little bit low, a little bit late, but maybe for a conservative trader can wait until it touches these 3 forms, and maybe this will be really the right entry for us. But if you enter into this opportunity at this place, you need to be careful. Okay, so this is a 7% from 6.72 to 7.19, equivalent to $1,411 in 1 minute. Actually, in actual trading, this will not be really 1 minute. This might be 2 minutes or something. But by the time you see it and you enter to your account and then you place your order and then you put stop loss and take profit, it will be making it immediately. So congrats to the followers, subscribers, and to all who made profit out of IPW. Moving on to Vvos, you see that it is on the daily doing great move and good price range. So let us see when it appeared to us. Here you can see that it made one candle testing the volume, the weighted volume moving average or the weighted volume average, then it went down, so your entry could be really here, making your profit from this candle only. So don't get confused. You are entering here and you're getting lucky that you got your 5%, within 5 minutes you're 7%. But if we are to stay in this trade, we will be definitely losers. So here you will make your profit as faster as you are. So in other words, if you are slow, you will not make your 7%, then you will be trapped and then you will be losing 3% here. So this really depends on how reactive you are whenever you see the signal and you decide to enter. So here when it looks, because it is just changing its direction, converting its direction. So it is downtrending, the market is opening, it is opening to the upper side, upper than yesterday's close, the previous day's closure, and you can see that it is making it only in one candle in 5 minutes. So this is really pretty interesting opportunity, and in reality somebody might really lose really in this. So, and nobody can predict that it will just jump and then the next candle just go down. So this is really by luck. Okay, and we can skip it and consider others, but if you are trading really, you might be really there. All right. Moving to VRPX and see how it moved. They talked about it and they put it also in Twitter. It has made a very perfect movement. It had doubled from yesterday's price, almost. The double is 9, so it made like 70, 80. We will see it here in a while, but when it appeared at 9.58, within 5 minutes it made our 7%, equivalent to $1,033. See where it came to us in a very perfect entry after consolidation and then at the beginning of the trend. So for the professional trader, can not only take this 7% but can take another 7, so can take really the whole wave. So by the time you are here, you will see that you are far away from the moving averages, so you will immediately know that you need to go there. Okay, so easily somebody can make 40% out of this. Perfect, and congrats. Next is GROM, another stock that I highlighted during the trading, and we challenged that it will break the 4.5, but it stopped just right at 4.49. It did not go to 4.5. Nevertheless, we made our profit in 5 minutes again. So we got our 7%, in 5 minutes, from 3.96 to 4.24, making $831. The entry was here, and perfect movement really. So you are entering at the right place after breaking the previous high candles, and then you are making your way, getting your 7%. If you are late, still you have buffer, and then the psychological barrier, you got out of the psychological barrier of the whole dollar and the half dollar. Here 4.5 is a psychological barrier where people really fear to continue and find resistance, so they decide to go out of the trade. Again, congrats to the followers and the subscribers who made profit out of this. Last but not least is ONCS, and it opened with a gap above the moving averages, and it tested also the other moving average. So from the 9 days to 20 days, 20 days to 50 days, and then it made the excellent movement here for us in 8 minutes. We entered at very perfect place actually, and risky actually, but it is, at the low side, so you know that you are above the moving average. You will put your 3%, nothing to hold you lower even here. So it's kind of risky, but at very safe place. So you enter here and you make your 7%. For the late traders, they can make it up and make their 7% in the whole body of this candle. Bottom line is that you can easily catch up and make profit out of this. So congrats to those who made profit out of it. ABIO was also one of the trades one of the stocks that we highlighted, and it was a profitable one also. Let me take you quickly through what we do during the trading. We update our screen and the website during the trading, so when those opportunities appear to us, we update them. That's for the subscribers only. The monthly and the yearly, see previous days. Performance, that's live online while we are trading. That was maybe the only losing day in a while actually. But here 17 minus 6%, so you're left with 11 plus. Here 28% from the 4 trades, and those are updated while we are trading live. Those are our long positions, and we will talk about them and update them as well. You see already that also in Twitter we talked about these during the weekend. You see OLB where it is in our entry and where it is now. MTSL as well is going parabolic to the upper side. Here for the swing, we put our stop loss to be 10% and the take profit to be 30%. But for the experts, they can, when they reach the 30%, make a stop loss of profit of 10 or 15%, then moving as a trailing stop. So this is for the subscribers, how we put our opportunities on the day, during the day. Now, when we talked about GROM and VRPX, you can see during the trading how we give the signals. Let me see. Okay. GROM. Now VRPX, we talked about it during the trading. See where it appeared at that time, 10 o'clock or 9:59. It was at this place, so you know that this is coming to the next resistance, which is 4.99. So you prepare yourself. You know that there is a strong barrier ahead of you, which is the 5.29 is our strong profit take or target profit. So you be ready to exit with your 7% and get it. For the expert traders, when you see the signals are appearing continuously, you can tell that it easily made the break out and then it is making momentum. See the daily and see the signals and the volume during that. See the build-up of the volume, so you know that you are going into a wave. From 5 we reach to $8.35. So here you were at 9.9 or 10%, and then VRPX continued giving at least here 20% from 10 to 33, and then it continued all the way, and here it started to make new highs, making 87% or 77% from our entry if we enter at a profit of if we enter when it was 10% already. So congrats to the followers and the subscribers. Now GROM also made an excellent movement, and it gave easily 10% from 10 to 20. Actually it continued more than that. So also I pointed this out during the trading, and it is in my Twitter account as well. So congrats to those who made 15% out of this also. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. I wish that you enjoyed and you made profit out of that. And if you are interested, you can subscribe at www.the-gulfsniper.com. And I wish you a very wonderful day and happy trading. See you on the live streaming all. Bye bye.